Hey everyone, today I thought I'd do some pillow mixing and matching. A lot of times it's hard to figure out what pillows go together, patterns, colors. It can all be a little bit tricky. So I thought I'd show you some tips and tricks to pulling together some really fun pillow combinations. So I've grabbed a bunch of these fun pillows. The good news is that they're all under $40, which is awesome. And you'll see I've grabbed kind of a palette of a few different colors. We've got some browns, some ivories, some beiges, a couple of pinks, a little bit of blue. So a nice wide range of colors that I think all go together really nicely. So let's take a peek and see what kinds of different things we can put together. First, you'll see I've separated all of the pillows out into three different categories. Top here, we have some stripes. In the middle, we have solids. Now, a couple of these do have kind of a little bit of a pattern, but I think that especially, this one and this one, they really do act like a solid. The pattern is very subtle, or there aren't any additional colors, like for instance in this blue one. And then in the bottom, we have these kind of fun vintagey pattern pillows. So one rule of thumb to start is that you can choose one from each category. So a pattern pillow, a stripe, and a solid. Really easy. Let me show you some of the different kinds of combinations that we could come up with. Here is a pattern. I like those two together. That's a lot of fun. And then that one's fun too. That's kind of a fun little combination. Okay, let's see what else we could grab. I like this pillow a lot. And I like the tones in this one. I think this one works with the colors in this pillow quite a bit. I like that. And then, we could definitely do this one. Oh, look at that. That's kind of a fun neutral combination. Let's see if this pink would, yeah, actually that mauve works really nicely with the tones as well. That one's a good combination too. I really like this pillow a lot. Let's see, this stripe one is fun. These are all to scale next to one another. So this one is pretty large. It's, I think, a 14 by 26. And this one is probably a 20 by 20. So it's a little bit on the smaller side lengthwise. And then what else could we do? This one's just always a fun one. That's kind of a really nice muted palette. The blue is kind of fun. I'm not sure that I like the sizes of the pillows next to one another. Let's try a different. Let's see. Let's try pink. That pink I like a lot. We could even do that. Or we could get crazy and break our rules and put two patterns next to one another. That's nice too. Okay, so you'll see some of those different variations. It's kind of fun to play around with everything. Those two would look nice together as well with a nice neutral. Oh, actually those three look nice together as well. I like that. And we can also break those rules. We don't have to choose one from each category. So let's play around with a few different combinations and see what might work. Did we do this one? I really like those together as well. Same with that one. And then if you wanted to add in a little bit of color, the blue is really nice solid. Oh, that's a fun combination. That might be pretty for a bed, actually. Let's see, we haven't used this one yet. Ooh, I like those two together quite a bit. And then that's a nice neutral to kind of add in. What else? We could do the blue if we wanted to add, again, a little bit more of a pop of color. And even that one's nice as well. So I like putting together a couple of these different pattern pillows to one another, and then one other one to just kind of break up some of that pattern. Maybe you love stripes. Look at that, those are fun. Actually, all of those are kind of fun together. Let's see, oh, look at that. Yeah, that one's nice. That's kind of a fun combination. And so you see, just the different combinations are endless. So definitely check out all of these pillows. They are on my Like to Know It, and hopefully you find a good combo that works for you.